Hello guys, it's Laxifix. Today I'll be showing you how to get more space on your iPhone without robbing a bank. So this iPhone XS Max came in for memory upgrade from 64 gig to 256. So we had to disassemble, pull out the memory and insert it into our programmer, which we have to copy some essential info from the old memory to the new memory so that the iPhone can work and be recognized properly as the iPhone that it is, the particular model exactly. So after doing that, have to rebuild the memory, get everything in shape, add lead to the memory, and then heat it up, make the balls firm and nice. So that's it. Everything's looking all nice. Now we have to install the new memory, slap it onto the motherboard, and get it installed. I always trust my receipt for that job. That's me installing it right there. You can see it's now 256. Earlier it was 64 gig rather. It was 64 gig. So this process is quite tricky and a little bit risky. If you are not a professional, you might damage the device while installing the memory or even extracting. So now we have to do a software update on the phone just to get it working. Now the device is working. We have to set it up to make sure everything is in order, because if it is not in order, the device is not going to activate. So yeah, the device has activated and we have it running. First time activation might make the device a little bit slow, but once it's done loading everything, we have everything back working. So now you see it's 256 and everything is fine. Laxy fix you.